What's up, my pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over this really awesome leather case here from the folks at Nomad. This is obviously their traditional leather with a slight variant. You can see that they have full grain leather wrapped entirely around your phone. I think this is an awesome improvement to the Nomad lineup, where traditionally they did have a polymer case that it glued into the edge of, but this is a fully enclosed in leather all the way glued into the inside. It's made with sustainably sourced full grain leather, the full wrap design with a really cool tactile anodized aluminum buttons, still allowing you for MagSafe capability and other functions of the case. With that said, the folks at Nomad did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and other phones. They have limited colors here. We'll be going over the brown as well as the English tan. Let's go to unbox this, demonstrate it, and see what you're getting yourself into. All right, let's go over the full wrap leather cases here for the traditional leather case. As you can see, you have a couple different options. I've got the English tan here as well as the brown. Let's go ahead and show you what they look like. Box contents can be recycled. You can see I've already used the English tan as it looks great with my phone. Coming up here with the brown, you can see that full grain leather. I really like how it is just super clean. It's nice and shiny here. That's been tanned and oiled already. It will patina over time, and you can see that it's just wrapped all the way around the entirety of the case. I love that. It's glued on the inside, and they've got the anodized aluminum buttons that are poking out here, which are nice and tactile. I like that, including with all 4 buttons there. Punch outs on the bottom, as well as a carve out here for your camera control. I'm a little annoyed about that. I wish they could close that off and still have the camera control available, but alas, it's not. And then you've got the magnets here, obviously for the MagSafe, which is cool. Let's go and throw your phone in here for the first time, throwing it there from the back to the front. I've got this white against the brown. I think looks really clean in the hand. I like that. Buttons are very clicky, still responsive, and you don't have necessarily a bezel that's pushing up against the edge here, so you still can use their screen protector if that's something you're interested in. I like the English tan here with my desert titanium. I think it matches really well. You throw it on there, it presses in there nicely. I do have a screen protector as well. You can tell that it's not bumping up against it. Buttons are just as clicky. You can see that's exactly why I want to opt into this phone. It just looks super clean in the hand. I like that. You can see the edges are starting to wear off. This is about a month of use. They just did a great job here with this awesome case. I like it. Super clean. MagSafe capable. You can throw on a MagSafe device. Qi charges. This one's a 5 watt, 5000 milliamp. Just looks super clean in the hand. Definitely something I recommend. With that said, I think this is a no-brainer. I love the full wrapped leather look. It's fantastic. It's got nice anodized aluminum buttons. You've got a couple of different colors to choose from. It wraps entirely around your phone, allowing for MagSafe still and giving you this nice ergonomic grip. It smells delightful, and they used ethically sourced leather that's gonna patina over time, as you know and love the Nomad leather to do so. With that said, the folks at Nomad provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, as it does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.